Jacob Mushokwa on the Cars.co.za channel. Welcome. This one is a very exciting one. I'm in the Toyota Corolla GR. Next to me is my esteemed colleague, Ashley Oldfield. He's driving the Honda Civic Type R. You guys put us up to this mission. You've been commenting, you've been asking, and we're finally making it happen. We're about to do a drag race. Yeah. And let's see who wins.
Dream, search, drive. Cars.co.za.
Welcome to a drag race in Gauteng for a change. We're at Gerotek, very grippy surface. However, might complain a little bit about my soft rev limiter here in the Honda Civic Type R, and I'm up against the Toyota GR Corolla. You've asked for this drag race. We're not really allowed to do it, but we're going to do it anyway. So we'll ask for some forgiveness from Honda and Toyota later. But the cars are so evenly matched. The Honda's a little bit more powerful and a little bit lighter, but the Toyota is four-wheel drive, so I suspect it is absolutely going to trounce me off the line. But I think the Honda's a little bit faster, and I might just be able to catch up before the quarter-mile mark. Anyway, there's my buddy Jacob over there. Let's have a chat.
Hello Ash, how are you?
Bruh, I'm psyched. It's not every day we get to do a proper like-for-like drag race like this.
Very, very cool. What are you packing in that Honda Civic Type R?
Bruh, I'm packing a lot of heat here. 228 kilowatts, 420 newtons. I am front-wheel drive though. I think you've got the advantage here.
That is a lot of heat, but look, I've got what, 221 kilowatts, 370 newton meters of torque. I still think it's a well-balanced race considering that I'm four-wheel drive.
Yeah, I'm 20 kgs lighter, and also my car is 20 kgs lighter.
But can your car rev like this? I love how it shakes when I get to 7,500 revs. How far do your revs go, Ash?
Watch this. It's the most disappointing thing you're gonna hear all day. If I can get it into first. There we go, that's first. That's a 3,500 RPM limit right there. That's all I have.
So it's obvious that I'll take off better than you.
I'm afraid so, man, but let's enough chit chat. Let's get this going. All right, hey guys, give us a countdown there.
Okay, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, parked a little bit. He's got away well.
Yeah, well, now I gotta take off. Ah!
Alright, now I start to close in.
Change right, Jacob, change right, he's coming.
Oh, he's going away. No, I'm coming back. Come on, little Honda. Come on, Honda. No!
Yes, I got him. Yes! Oh, that was so close.
No! Damn it, man.
It's the driver.
Oh, BMT, eh? Big match temperament there. Nice one, Jacob.
I had to win it.
I think 410 meters I might have come back at you, but the line came just soon enough for you.
I'm so glad to win something.
Yeah, you got it. I give it to you.
I thank you, Ashley Oldfield. Did you hear that? He just gave it to me. Woo, woo, woo. I take a bow.
Alrighty, man. Let's give that another go.
Yeah, let's do it again. I think I could do better with my launch as well.
3, 2, 1, go!
And there's the crappy launch.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, he's coming for me!
We're right here in the corner.
Whoa, he's coming for me! Oh! No!
Oh, I've got pace, bro! I'm waving! And across the line, here we go! Oh, Honda, baby!
Yo! Aye, Ashley chowed me. Yo, huh? Huh? Yo.
It may not launch well, but it's got some legs. Whoa! Yo, shake up, what happened, bruh?
Nah, you kicked me, man. Yo! Aye.
Yo, this thing doesn't get off the line well, but it's got some legs, eh?
Wow, it's got very long legs. I was in third gear and you were casually cruising past me.
Very, very impressed here. I got such a good launch for something that doesn't get off the line particularly well. I think it's the best launch I'm ever going to get in this car. So let's count that. Let's count that as a 1-all, eh?
I hate giving it to you, but hey, man, that was a good launch, eh?
It was. I think we got to do one more, and then I think a rolling race. Do we even need one? I think this Honda's going to win a rolling race easy, bro.
I think we should try the rolling race after this one. Please, let's see what happens.
All right, let's get it on. You got to get your launch spot on here, bro. I'm coming for you, number 3.
Oh yeah, now I'm nervous because I thought I'd hit you like 3 down. Now we 1-1 and we're in the last race. Like, how did we get here? Hey.
Oh, this is good, man. This is what the crowd wants, man. The YouTube commenters, they can't complain now, right?
Let's see who wins.
3, 2, 1, go!
And away we go. We've bogged because the Civic has a silly limiter. But we're off the line. Go. We're gonna catch him.
Oh no, he's coming.
We're starting to pull him back.
I see him in my mirror. He is coming.
Is the line gonna come first? I'm pulling him.
But I got it. Yes, the finish line. We're at the finish line.
Oh!
Yes!
Oh! And I didn't get the shift a second perfect. This thing is fast.
What's the verdict?
I think you just beat me to the line there, man. What happened? Did you miss a shift or something?
I changed too late at some point. I redlined, it cut out, and then I shifted wrong.
Yeah, I thought I was catching you a little bit quickly there, but yo, I've got some pace in this thing, even though it gets off the line terribly.
Dude, you are a professional, hey? We learn from you.
Alrighty, man. Let's give that another go.
Okay, cool. Let's rock and roll.
All right, rolling race time. We're gonna get to about 30 k's an hour, hit that cone, and then we'll go for it. And I suspect the Civic should come out on top. Yeah.
You ready to go on the rolling start?
I am ready. Are you?
Yes.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! And we're off! Oh, he's still got better traction.
Good change on 7.5.
And then third, and now we start to go away.
Ah, he's taking me. Oh, he's taking me. Oh!
Here goes the Honda. Honda's just got better legs, but that thing is still sharp. And fourth gear, I start to pull away more. Across the line. Yep.
Annihilated. There we go. Alright, Ashley won.
This is the faster car. It just doesn't get off the line well enough.
Rolling start, Ashley won. I think I was in third gear. Ashley won.
Yeah, man, your car is definitely the better car off the line, but the Civic's definitely the one with the legs. You got your shifts well there as well, I see.
I was counting every shift like I'm in a maths class, brother. I don't know what happened. Now we see that the Civic is obviously the bigger one, the better one.
Dude, you got that meme with the calculus brain just going off there every time you look at your gear shift lever there.
That's me in the Corolla GR. Oh, well done, Ash. Well done, Ash. I gotta give it to him.
Cars.co.za. Not only is Cars.co.za the best place to find your dream car, but it's also the easiest place to sell your current car. Check out the sell car section on our main website. Simply list your car's details and all of our dealers will take bids on your car. You just choose the highest price. Boom, your car's gone. On to your next one. Right, thanks very much for watching the video. Okay, I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm finished now.
You deserve insurance that doesn't faff around. Budget, the official insurer of good South Africans.